I am York here. I'm the Service Department Manager at Test Equipment Depot, and I'm going to introduce to you the Fluke 373 True-RMS 0 to 600 ampere and 0 to 600 volt AC clamp meter. This has a 0 to 600 amp AC current measurement with the fixed jaw. It measures 0 to 600 volts AC and DC and current for accurate measurements on nonlinear signals. This will measure resistance up to 6,000 ohms with audible continuity detection. It measures 0 to 1,000 microfarads capacitors, and it has state-of-the-art signal processing. This allows for use in noisy electrical environments while providing stable readings. It has a large, easy-to-read backlit display, and it is Category 4 rated at 300 volts and Category 3 at 600 volts safety ratings. Thank you for watching. I am York with Test Equipment Depot.